local for you. NBC4 at 11 starts now.
Governor DeWine is encouraging families to visit their loved ones in nursing homes throughout the states. This as the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services updated its guidance to allow indoor visits with residents. This is great news here. Good evening to you, everybody, and thanks for being with us. I'm Kerry Charles.
I'm Colleen Marshall. Safety precautions, though, they are still something that needs to be taken into account. NBC4's Jonathan Jackson joining us now live at the State House tonight. And Jonathan, what are families saying? What do they need to know before they can make that visit?
Well, Colleen, this means that if you're not yet vaccinated, but you have an elderly resident inside a nursing home, you can still visit with them under certain conditions.
This is kind of one step forward in a positive direction that, we're going to be bringing this whole situation to an end.
Miriam Bogard is the owner of Assisted Living Locators of East Columbus, which helps place senior residents into facilities best suited for them. However, like most things, her job has been made far more difficult due to the pandemic. But new guidelines from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services are helping to ease that burden for her and her clients.
I had a family that I'm working with this week. She literally has not seen her mom since January 16th as a result of going into the hospital for a fall. And so today she was able to actually go to the nursing home for the first time and see her mom and physically be able to, socially distance and have a conversation with her.
According to the updated guidance, facilities should allow responsible indoor visitation at all times and for all residents, regardless of vaccination status of the visitor or resident. However, there are exceptions, such as if the COVID positivity rate is greater than 10% and less than 70% of residents in the facility are fully vaccinated.
If the resident is vaccinated and wears a mask and uses hand hygiene, that there'll be able to be some physical touch there.
Pete Van Runkel is the executive director for the Ohio Healthcare Association and says this will also encourage elderly residents to get the vaccine.
If you're vaccinated, you don't have to be quarantined, which that's really going to be helpful for the residents' state of mind.
And according to the CDC, more than 3 million doses of the vaccine have been administered at nursing homes. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Jonathan Jackson, NBC4.
Yes, some happy families this weekend. Thank you, Jonathan. Well, tonight